Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, put your pork, onion, sliced tomatoes, sliced green mangoes, as well as the seed, salt depending on your taste, and lastly, fish sauce. Let it simmer, while continuously mixing the ingredients. Leave until the pork is cooked. It should start to look like this. Once it does, stir the ingredients and add water. Let it boil. This step is optional. Add rice water to the broth, for a thicker consistency of the soup. Once it boils, add some of your vegetables such as the okra and radish. Don't forget your rice water. Let it boil. Once it boils, add your SINIGANG mix. Measurement depends on your taste. Then add your fish sauce for saltiness. Lastly, add your kangkong and chili. Leave for a few minutes, and you are ready to eat. That is how you make our delicious pork sinigang.